How are you? Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, whatever time you're watching this video. I am coming live to you from Barnabas in Nakuru City, and now from the developers of the Ridge Estate, and now they have something else here. They have not given it a name yet, but they have another massive project here. Different design, sawa, and I want us to go inside. We look at the project pale. I just show you the progress, and you can start, booking your home as early as now. Now, hapa tunaanzia wapi? Tuanzie tu hapa hivi nje kwanza. Tuanzie hapa hivi nje. Oh, by the way guys, leo niko site. Unasikia watu wanasema tupo site, kata simu, tupo site. Sasa niko kwa helmet hapa, niko kwa overall. Mafundi wameniambia vaa helmet bana, mawe isikugonge kichwa. Alright, na bado wananihitaji kesho. So that's why nimevaa hivi. Now, hapa hivi nje tukianzia tu hapa. By the way, these folks, they have maintained this style. If you want to know what I'm talking about the Ridge Estate in Nakuru. All right, it is showing on your screen. Okay. Sasa, now they have this project still at Barnabas, but on the opposite side of the road. Perimeter wall all around the establishment. Come ndani, come inside. Sasa, niko hapa kwa driveway. Alright, I'm on the driveway. It is pretty wide, 9 meters wide. Hapa naona ni sewer system wanaendelea kufanya hapa. Namna hii sewer system. This video is just showing you the progress, and the aim of it is to create awareness that we have this new project, and if you are looking to buy a home in the city of Nakuru, particularly in Barnabas, this is it. Come, kuja tuangalie hapa maneno. Let's go inside one of the houses. Tuende gani? Number 1 ama number 2? Tuende number 2. Haya, my videographer ameniambia tena number 2. Meanwhile, tunaenda kutembelea hapa. You can see the perimeter wall, inside. Every house, alright, iko na perimeter wall around it. Sawa. You can see some lights pale kule on that post, and there's some other lights pale. This is the gate. Okay, so ukikuja tu kwako hivi na gari yako, everybody goes inside their own compound. Sawa. How many units are here? 1, 2, 3. 8 units. Na za kona ukumbuke zinakuwa kubwa. Tutaenda kwa za kona. You will see them. Haya, we are inside here. Hey, this is the gate, folks. This is a 50. The plot that is, okay? The plot here is a 50 by 100. It looks like a true 50 by 100 because it is really large. This is a really large plot hapa. Okay? Haya, tukikuja hivi on this side, pale naona ni SQ. Okay, kuna SQ pale. This is the main house, folks. There's a time I asked developer moja hapa Nakuru, why don't you guys build flat rooftop homes? All right, until this guy arrived. Sawa, imagine. The former project ilikuwa mansionettes, flat roof. This one, it is still a flat roof. However, there is a roof on top, okay, vile umeona kwa drone. It is just a unique design ambayo amechukua. That developer told me the reason why they don't do flat rooftop in Nakuru ni kwa sababu ya maji, okay? So most of them, they use the roof so that they can harvest water during the rainy season. And I actually understood that right to the, okay? Haya, kuja tuende ndani. Tuangalie ndani, okay? This is just, folks, okay. This is the patio here. This is a patio. Na ni kubwa. See this socket hapa. Naona hapa juu kuna light itawekwa hapo namna hiyo. Alright, kuna light itawekwa hapo namna hiyo. This is a patio. So before tu uende ndani kwa nyumba yako, an open space. Ndani kama ateka grills hapa the way it looks. Come with me. Danka, I'm inside the living room. I am inside the lounge, sitting room, living room. I don't know how you call it, where you come from, but this is the size of it, okay? This is the size of the lounge, and then here is the dining area. Sawa. This is enough for an 8-seater. Yeah, an 8-seater dining table will fit here perfectly. A 10-seater, no, nothing more than that. An 8-seater, a 6-seater, perfect. And then it's an open kitchen, all right? There's a big open window here. Nothing will be put here, so it's an open kitchen. The kitchen is on that side. Can I jump here? Maybe I can jump here to go there direct. I mean, they have not completed. Tupo site, ama niruke danka. But awacha nikuonyesha. Haya, hii pande hapa itakuwa the common toilet. Okay, the common toilet will be on this side. All right, so nilikuwa nawapeleka jikoni. Jikoni ni huku. Wow, this is a large kitchen. This is a large kitchen. All right, countertop space hii yote itakuwa countertop space namna hiyo. Drawers kule chini, I suppose. On the master bedroom, these guys are doing a walk-in closet. So this is the closet area. So the master bedroom has got a balcony hapa nje, sawa. So the occupants of the master bedroom, you can always come out here namna hii. Okay, wale wengine wakiwa huko, nyinyi mko hapa nyuma. Kama you have something to talk about, you know, when you are told by a babe, we need to talk. This is that area where you guys will come to talk. Mnatoka kwa nyumba mnakuja hapa nje. Haya, so there's a veranda here. Okay, they have done a veranda here. Okay, behind the master bedroom. I like the distance from this wall to the window. Okay, I like this distance. At least it allows for more light even to come into the room. Okay, now tumefika nje, so now we want to go around. Let's go that side. There's something I wanted to show you. So nikitoka huko kwa master bedroom, nakuja tu hivi. Okay, this is a backyard. Kumbuka pale ni kaveranda kadogo, but now I'm on the backyard. It's a big garden. Imagine this entire garden. Ukuje tuweke kagazibo mahali hapo. You know, kakuchoma nyama saa zingine unachoma kanyama hapa namna hii. This entire space hapa nyuma, naona already washaanza kupanda nyasi. By the time they complete, I'm sure this place will be super green. The wall here iko high. Kumbuka next hapo ni barabara. So this height of this wall, you know, for more security and more privacy. Really good.